These JBuds Mini are like the David among Goliaths in the earbud world. The design is sleek, compact, and lightweight. The earbuds weigh in at a mere 3 grams each, and the case is so small it's attachable to a keychain. In real-life scenarios, this means absolute portability. Throw them in your pocket, attach them to your keys. These earbuds are designed to move with you effortlessly. The JBuds Mini are the smallest in the JBuds series, including JBuds Air Pro and Epic Air Sport. The case is sturdy yet lightweight at 19 grams, and the earbuds themselves have an IP55 rating, making them sweat and dust-proof. So, whether you're hitting the gym or caught in a sudden rainstorm, these buds are up for the challenge. The JBuds Mini charging case is also made entirely of plastic, just like the earbuds, and features a short lanyard to attach the included keyring, keychain. Despite the small factor of the earbuds and case, the JBuds Mini are super easy to take out of the charging case. The case lid has a strong hinge, doesn't wobble. The case measures 4.5 centimeters long by 3.5 centimeters wide by 2 centimeters high. To pair the JBuds Mini earbuds, you must take them out of the case. Once paired, you can start using the earbuds and control multiple functions such as volume, track skipping, EQ changer, sound presets, music modes, volume limiting, safe hearing, voice assistant and ambient aware mode. Although you can only have 4 functions per earbud, which are controlled via single tap, double tap, triple tap and long tap. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable and efficient connection. The Bluetooth multi-point feature allows you to seamlessly switch between devices. In practical terms, this means you can be listening to a podcast on your computer and transition smoothly to a call on your mobile without missing a beat. Now, battery life is always a crucial factor. These JBuds Mini offer 5.5 hours of playtime in each earbud, with an additional 20 hours from the charging case. The quick charge feature is a game changer. 15 minutes of charging translates to a solid hour of battery life. In real-world use, this means you're never stranded without your tunes for long. Charging time is 1.5 hours for the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. Let's talk about the real star of the show, audio quality. The 6mm dynamic driver delivers impressive sound for such small buds. From pumping beats at the gym to the nuances of a podcast during a crowded commute, these earbuds don't compromise on audio performance. The JBuds Mini also integrate microphone for calls with background suppression, which works, although a bit aggressively so. Voice doesn't sound as natural, but the call quality is still adequate for casual calls. The JLab app adds a layer of personalization. Be Aware mode is a standout feature that lets you be aware of your surroundings, like during a run or walk. You can let ambient noise in without taking the buds out. The app also allows you to customize touch controls and sound preferences via 3 preset EQ modes and a custom mode for tweaking your own sound signature. The app doesn't require an email registration to use, so it is a user-friendly addition that enhances the overall experience. From the app, you can also check battery level for the earbuds, not the case, touch control gesture remapping. You can remap the single tap, double tap, triple tap and long tap. Comfort is key, especially for long listening sessions. The customizable ear tip sizes ensure a snug fit. The lightweight design adds to the overall comfort, making them suitable for extended wear, although not as good for passive noise isolation and bass response. In conclusion, these JBuds Mini are a testament to how far technology has come in delivering power in small packages. They're versatile, durable, and user-friendly. The integration of practical features like quick charge, Bluetooth multi-point, and the JLab app elevates the overall user experience. If you're looking for earbuds that seamlessly blend into your daily life without compromising on performance, these are definitely worth considering.